Well, hello there, Comets. Welcome to your daily CAPIT lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to watch and listen as we participate together. Let's get started, shall we? Today we are going to work together on Lesson 10. This is Level 3, Lesson 10. We are also going to do Lesson 11 together today. Here we go.
Cats.
So I heard 4 sounds, and I see 4 different colors. What do you notice today? We notice the word cat, but we also notice something on the end of it, don't we? We notice this S on the end of the word, cat. If I think about what this word means, cats, I know that it means more than one cat. So this S on the end is a suffix. We add a suffix to the end of a word to change its meaning. So on this word, when we add suffix S, it makes it mean more than one cat.
Cats.
Oops. So you notice that I colored each sound a different color, just like we've been doing, right? Something you might notice is that this suffix has its own sound. The base word is cat. I'm going to add the suffix S to the end of the word to change its meaning, to mean more than one cats. I have one cat, but I could have 2 cats, or I could have 1,000,000 cats. Let's listen.
Cats.
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 Now I get to spell, using the keyboard, the word cats. Just like we've always done, I'm going to think about the sounds and the order the sounds are in. And then I'm going to move the spellings k, a, t, s.
Cats.
For cats as I say the sounds. It's important to say the sounds because then in my brain, if I mix something up, I'm going to catch it like that, aren't I? I hope.
Cats.
So we got that one correct. Thanks for your help. And that's the end of that lesson. We are now going to go on to Lesson 11. For Lesson 10, we just practiced adding a suffix to the end of a root word or base word to change its meaning, to make it mean more than one. Now let's see what we'll do in Lesson 11, shall we?
Nuts.
Nuts. I see a picture here of nuts. These look like walnuts, don't they? So I know that on the end of this word I hear s. That doesn't always mean it's a suffix. But in this word, I know if I have one, the word is simply, let's build it together, t. If I just had one of these things, it would be called a nut. Since I have more than one, I'm going to add that suffix S to the end to make it plural or more than one.
Nuts.
Nuts. So in this lesson 11, we are going to be practicing using this suffix.
Mops.
Mops. I heard the word mops. So I'm going to get rid of those sounds I don't need, or the spellings for the sounds I don't need. P. And did you notice I just had to rebuild the base word? And then I'm going to add the same suffix to the end of this word to make the word
Mops.
mops.
Must.
Must. I hear st in this word. So once again, I'm going to get rid of the sounds, the spellings for the sounds I don't need. I heard st. So I'm just going to move that one over. Must. So here, I need a. Let me listen to the word again.
Must.
Must. What word, I'm sorry, what sound do I need at the end of must? What did you hear? T. Thank you for helping me with that. T. Notice this word does not have a suffix s at the end. Must. It does have the s sound, but not all the s sound is the suffix s, is it? This word is
Must.
must.
Bats.
Bats. What do you notice? What do you wonder, my friend? Bats. I see a picture of these mammals. I think I need those sounds. And I noticed, I learned this from you guys. You're getting really good at manipulating the phonemes or the sounds. I need bats. So here I need b, a, bats. What do you notice about this? If this is truly a suffix, then when I take it off or cover it up, I'm left with the root word. What is the root word or the base word? Bat. So one of these mammals is a bat. If I have a group of them like this, I have bats. Good job.
Pets.
Pets. I hear pets. Pets. What do you notice that I already have? Pets. Pets. Let me ask you again. If this is a suffix, then when I take it off, I'm left with a word. What word is left when I remove suffix s from this word? Pet. So if I just have a dog, I have one pet. If I have a dog and a cat, I have two pets.
Mask.
Mask. In mask, I hear ask. Is that what you hear? So I'm going to build that. I heard this sound, but I forgot where it went. So I'm just going to clear my board and I'm going to build mask. Mask. And I have one mask.
Lips.
Lips. I want to leave it like this for a second and ask you, what is this word that I have built? Blend to read it. Lip. One lip. If I add that suffix s, I now have two lips. That's why our lips are called lips, because we have a top and a bottom. Did you know that?
Best.
Best. Once again, I just cleared it all because I wasn't sure where the s is, so I'm going to build from the beginning. Best. Notice at the end, I'm not going to hit that plunger because I want that to be a victory bell. So I'm going to read it. I have best. That's tapping it out. Best. Now let's slide to read. Best. Good job.
Ants.
Ants. I don't have a picture, but when I hear that word, I see a picture of those insects, don't I? Ants. in the word ants, did you hear that s at the end? So the insect we're talking about is an ant. If there's just one little ant, it's just ant. Ant. If we put this suffix s, it means ants. There's a whole line of ants coming to our picnic.
Hats.
Hats. I see a picture and I notice these objects are hats. One of them is called a hat. So I want to build the base word. At. I have hat, but I have more than one, don't I? So now I have hats. Yes, and that lesson is now complete. I will see you tomorrow as we go into lesson 12. I notice on lesson 12, I have cats and a picture of a cat. So tomorrow, or in the next lesson, we are going to do lesson 12. Thank you for being here for CAPIT Level 3, lessons 10 and 11. See you later. So that's all for today, my friends. Thank you for participating in today's CAPIT lesson. I hope you learned something new. If not, I hope you had fun practicing with us. Now it is your turn to show what you know as you move along your path to mastery. Have fun, and remember, reach out to your teachers if you need help. Let's do this, Tigers.